Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for VeChain's VTHO token. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then as always guys, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. If you want, I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs and day trading and anything crypto related on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow because I'm only going to continue to grow more and more as time goes on because I'm not going anywhere. All right, guys. So for those of you who are new to my channel, new to my price prediction videos, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to various coins for about 5 years now. And the way that I figure out where I think prices are going to go long-term is the exact same way that I've been doing it for the last 5 years. And hey, I'm not in the red on anything. So whatever I've been doing, it's been working. So yeah, guys, we're going to be looking into VTHO today. All right. Now, here's the thing. All right. The thing about VTHO is, I mean, I'm sure you're probably thinking there's some people out there that are probably confused, like, what is this VTHO token? Anyway, before I get onto that stuff, you guys, what I'm going to be talking about here is when I'm talking long-term, this is a long-term price prediction. When I say long-term, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months, okay? I'm talking minimum 3 years. Maybe you're holding on to it for 5 years. Maybe you're holding on to it till 7 years. You're going to hold on to it until however long it takes for that token to reach the market cap levels that you want it to reach for your overall, for your overall prediction on where you think it can go as well. So guys, we're going to be looking at VTHO token, all right? Now, here's the thing, all right? VTHO token, for those of you who are kind of confused, because VTHO is, I mean, it's very, I mean, it is VeChain. I mean, it's connected to VeChain, okay? So the best way I can describe this really quick is fastly and as simple as possible is so VeChain's original token VET is pretty much used for, like, storing value or sending funds pretty much. The VTHO token can be more or less used as or looked at as pretty much as like an energy token, okay? It's pretty much like kind of like an energy token pretty much. It's kind of like I don't know if you're familiar with it or not, but like Ontology with their Ontology token, and then they've got Ontology gas as well. So it's kind of like something like that, but not the exact same thing. But today, guys, we're going to be looking at the VTHO token. So now, for instance, what we want to do first is we want to see what the all-time high was in the past. Now, obviously, guys, we're not going to go with this very first one at the very beginning here back in 2018 because to me personally, that one just doesn't count. We're going to go with this most recent one, okay? This is, to me, this is the all-time high, okay? Which would be right around 0.025. We're just going to round it off and go up to the line above it, okay? So we're going to say the all-time high is 0.025, okay? So we want to see what the market cap was back then, all right? Because I have an idea of where I think it could go in the long term, but I want to do this on screen to show you guys where I think it could potentially go. So guys, we're going to take the amount of circulating supply, which would be 45.37 billion. So we got 45 billion, 1,000, million, billion, 45.37 billion. We're going to go ahead and multiply that by 0.025. 0.025. We're going to come out with a market cap of roughly 1,000 million, 1.1 billion. Okay, guys. Now, here's the thing, all right? Now, this was back when... This probably happened around... Yeah, this happened around the time when... I mean, it went up that high around the time when Bitcoin was well over $1 trillion in market cap. So clearly, guys, when the market's doing well and the coin's taking off, all these other coins take off as well. And you know what? As these good coins grow long term, all the other good coins are going to grow long term as well. So as time goes on, you guys, this 1.1 billion market cap is going to be, 2 billion at some point in time in the future. It's just going to continue to grow more and more long term. So guys, for my personal opinion, long term, I think it can easily go to a market cap of $2 billion at no problem whatsoever long term. So we're going to be doing math to figure out where we think the price is going to be at when the market cap reaches a level of $2 billion at some point in time. All right, so let's check this out and see what we got going on here. All right, so we're going to take that number again. We're going to take 45.37 billion. We're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply it by let's let's do 0.03 cents. Okay, let's do 0.03 cents first. So 0.03, and we come out with $1.3 billion market cap. Okay, so now we'll try 0.04 next. Okay, so we've got our circulating supply again of 45.37 billion. We're going to go ahead next, and we're going to multiply that by 0.04. Still too low, $1.8 billion market cap. We'll try 0.045 next, all right? So 4537, and then we'll go ahead and multiply this by 0.045, okay? We got about the number, so we'll try a little bit lower than that, a tiny bit lower. We'll go with 0.043, okay? So we'll take one more time, we'll take 4537 billion. We go ahead and multiply that 0.045, no, sorry, it was 0.043. Yeah, 0.043. And right there, guys, that's the number I'm looking for. I'm comfortable with that number, 0.043. That's a very comfortable number for me in long term. You know, I don't see why it wouldn't be able to reach that high. Now, let's see where you could potentially make some good money on this long term. Let's see what a good potential return on your investment would be. If you were to invest like, let's say you were to invest like $10,000 into the VTHO token right now. Now, I'll be honest, you guys, not many people are putting long-term positions in coins like the VTHO token. Again, because it's not used as a store of value traditionally. It's just not. Not a lot of people are using it as a store of value, and that's the thing. But it does still rise and fall like every other altcoin out there. So it does still have value. So you have to keep that in mind as well. So we're going to take, let's say, $10,000, okay? So 0.043 is the number that we think it can go to. So we'll take $10,000 and we'll go ahead and divide it by, let's see how many tokens we can get. So divide it by 0.0041, okay? And we will come out with we're going to come out with 2,439,000 tokens, okay? So 2,439,000 tokens, all right? And we're going to go ahead and multiply that by that number, which was 0.043. Okay, so 0.043, which was my overall long-term price prediction for this. So we'll go ahead and multiply this by 0.043 and come out with, at the end, $104,877,000. Sorry, I totally messed that number up. $104,877. There we go. That's the number I'm looking for. So guys, realistically, you know, long term, that is a very good, solid return on your investment, okay? For pretty much doing nothing at all. I mean, realistically, I mean, there's very low risk involved when you're just buying and holding long term. I mean, there really is. I mean, you're not taking on the added risk of day trading or anything like that. So you know, you're literally just buying and holding. So for doing that and just sitting on it for 5 years and you making a good solid $90,000 as your return on your investment, that's a very good return on your investment, you guys. I mean, you really can't get that anywhere else. You really can't. That's a very solid return on your investment, especially for just a small $10,000 investment. So overall, you guys, you're going to come out strong if you invest in something like this long term. You know, I mean, it's not guaranteed, but I mean, it does have potential to go up to a 2 billion market cap at some point in time in the future. And that's it. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's just a matter of time when it will happen. So, but overall, you guys, my long-term price prediction for VTHO token or VTHO is going to be 0.043. All right. Now it can go a lot higher. It can go a lot higher. But you know, that's just me being a conservative, me being safe rather than sorry. I'm just going to go ahead and say my long-term price prediction is 0.043. So, but guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.